This tutorial I am going to show on how to change eye color in Photoshop. So let's get started. At first open your Photoshop. Now open your image. Select elliptical marquee tool. Now press Shift key and drag your mouse. Select your eye and go to Select, then Modify, then Feather. Here feather radius 6 pixels, then OK. Now use solid color. Select your any solid color. And select from blending mode overlay. Now use hue and saturation. Click on clipping mask and now change your any eye color. Now for remove unexpected colors. Select your solid color layer mask. And select brush tool. And make sure to foreground color is black. And opacity and flow decreases low. Now remove your unexpected colors. Now press Ctrl key and select this two layers. And press Ctrl G for group. Now press Ctrl J for layer copy. Select this copy group and select move tool or press V. And then move your eye color easily to another eye. Now again same process. Press Ctrl key and select this two group layers, and press Ctrl G for group. Now use hue and saturation. And you can easily change your any eye color. Thanks for watching my full tutorial. I hope you must like this tutorial. Please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you.